What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 22nd of June, Saturday. We're taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance. This will be the US dollar slash the Aerodrome Finance pair here. Coinbase with the price data daily chart, ticker symbol AERO USD. So we have a little bit of green here this Saturday morning. Nothing too crazy, but hey, we'll take it right after this big sell-off. Up 1.25%. If we take a look back here to Friday, the 21st of June, we had a pretty big reversal. Looks like we closed down 0.7%. We reversed off of the 71,006 price level. Let's go to the 3-minute time frame here. 3-minute time frame. You can see that it's currently resistance. So the market's traded below the 71,006. We turned back up to it. So we talked about this level yesterday. I was very surprised that these levels weren't holding. And the price did rally back up to the 71,006 and flip it into resistance currently. That is a very good sign to see that the price at least got back up to that level. Now, in a perfect world today, Saturday the 22nd, we would get back above 71,006 and turn it into support. That would be good. That would take us off into rally mode. But right now, it's and I have a feeling that's going to happen. But right now, it tried for its first time here to get back above that level for a close, and 71,006 currently resistance. So keep your eye on that 71,006 level to get back above today. And then, we should be off to 72,326. Let's go back to a daily here. We'll zoom in here, guys. I want to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. Appreciate you guys. So here we are with the back to the daily, the 71,006. You can see it reversed through today as resistance. We want to get above that, and 72,326 would be our next level, and then 75,59. That's right here. So we'll see what happens. Judging by yesterday's candle close with the big candle wick, that was pretty good. That could mean the selling is at least over for at least a short period of time. Last time we saw that here on the chart was right here on the 14th. Big sell-off, pushed the price back up, closed in the upper end of the range, big candle wick, and then we had 2 green days after that, which you could see what happened after that. But like I said, could be just for the short term, some support. And like I said, I was surprised these levels weren't coming into play here, and it looks like they now are 71,006. So keep your eye on that. Perfect world, we close above the 71,006 level. We head towards 72,326. Whether we get above that, time will tell. And then next on the radar would be 75,59. That's right up here. So what's that going to look like from current trading? Basically 1.5 to 3 to 7.5%. Potentially in potential upside if the markets, don't continue to dump here today on this Saturday. So it's funny that in the comments, when the markets are not green, okay, and they're not green every day, most markets aren't anyways. People come out of the woodwork, as they say, and shoulda, woulda, coulda, told you. X project was no good, blah, 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 blah. Well, I don't think those people would be saying any of that if the price wasn't in the red, right? So here's here's my question. Since Bitcoin has been selling off, let's go to the Bitcoin chart. BTC USD. So has Bitcoin has bounced off or found resistance right here at 71,335 level and pulled back to 3 support levels here. Very normal action we're seeing here. Does this mean, Bitcoin is junk and it doesn't matter and you shouldn't pay attention to it because the price isn't going up? That's for you to answer. But it's just interesting to see that. If Bitcoin was going higher, okay, at some point it will. Who knows? Maybe the top is in for this cycle. And Aerodrome was also following Bitcoin, as most cryptocurrencies usually do. Would the project still be garbage and, shouldn't have bought it and all that stuff? It's just a question, just a thing of concern. It's just the psychology of the market and the public, the retail investors. A lot of people will buy the tops and a lot of people will sell the bottoms and not do well in the markets. In the markets, doing what doesn't feel good actually will make you money. Doing what feels good in the market is a very risky thing to do, at least if you're wired like a normal human being. Guys, Aerodrome, are we going to put in new lows for the day? We have a nice candle yesterday, okay? Selling could be over for at least a short period of time. Minimum, a day or two. That's what we saw back here on the 16th, 15th, and 14th of June. Keep your eyes on the 71006 level. Keep your eyes on 72,326, 75,509. That's all levels that could come into play. If they do dump the price again today on this Saturday, and if they do just send it much lower, 61,275, 58,756. So all these levels right here, we're keeping an eye on. Once again, this is the Aerodrome Finance / United States dollar pair. We dropped into a 3-minute time frame, but overall, the daily chart is what we're looking at here. And the price data was from Coinbase. Bitcoin, on the other hand, we're sitting right at 3 levels of support. We have some pretty large candle wicks here. The supports are 64,375, 64,123, 63,788. That's the 3 price levels right here. And we'll see if it finds support. This area was resistance back in the April and May timeframe, broken out on May 15th. It's getting back tested right now. We'll see if it holds. All right. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet a subscriber to the channel, join us here. Appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Take care.